So, how we try to read the content and write the content into binary files. The default ones, f stream, then int main, okay. Now let us create file, okay. I will be using OF stream only, I will use OF stream, and I will create object obj1 and let that file name be, let us write some test dot bin. So, you have to give bin format, and since it is OF stream, it is the default mode is iOS colon out, that I need not give, but I have to specifically specify that it is binary. I have to give this. Okay. Now binary file is created. Okay. Now I want to write some content into the binary file. Let me create some array A, int A equal to, this is normal array concept 5. Okay. I am creating an array A with 5 numbers. I want to write these 5 integer numbers into that binary file. Which function I have to use? I have to use write function. What is the object? Obj1 dot write of, here you have to give char star. Okay. This again in brackets, let me give this in brackets, char star in brackets, the name of the array, comma, size, how many bytes you want to create, size of A, okay, size of A. What it will do? It will try to, why am I doing this char star? Because I want to convert that integer to character. We will see this much better, why are we using this when we go for other formats, okay. For now, let us assume this way, right. So, that is it, it is writing. I will write the message here, cout data is entered into binary file. Some message I want to throw. Let us see whether this executes. Test bin has to be created. Yes. Oh, it is asking to save. So, binary, let not give something confusing. Today, some name we can give. See, data is entered into binary file. We got this message. So, it is trying to store this 1, 2, 3, 5. Let us go and see that whether the test bin is created. I will just replace it. Do we have the test bin? Yes. See here, we have test bin. Can we open this? See, this is not visible here in this format, but it is in binary only. How do I open this? Open with test, it is not giving, but it is stored in binary. How do I open binary? bin. Why it has become default? Edit, no. Okay, let us see whether it is working, whether I am able to print it or not. It is stored in binary. That format I forgot it. We have to see that how do we display it. For bin file, can I open here? Open test. Here also it is something garbage. It is not able to open. But generally it is stored. We will come to know when, if I am able to print it. If I am able to print it, we will experience that. I will try to show you how it is stored in binary. Now, I want to print it. How do I have to create again if stream obj2 with name as test.bin and with format same thing. I will just copy this OS binary. Okay. Now, I want to read the content and store it in an integer. So, I will be creating one array some B with 5 elements, because I know already there are 5 elements in that. Now, after I know there are 5 elements, I want to read them. So, obj2 dot read, same syntax as this. Okay. This will read the content. Here I have to put it here B. So, these contents will be placed in B. Now, let us write one for loop for I, int I equal to 0, I is less than 5. I am just hard coding values. Cout B of I. Okay, what I am doing, I am creating another, I am for the same test.bin, I am creating object 2 with read permission. I am creating an array B, I am copying all the values into this array B, I am trying to print them. Okay, so cout values from the binary file, right. See, oh, yeah, something got misplaced. Let me delete that and come back here. Let us delete this and create it once again. Okay. It's not giving values from the binary file, some junk values. What is the mistake here? It is B. Oh, it is size of B here, no? Is that the mistake? No, still there is some error. Let me rectify it. If stream obj2, what is that? Anyhow, we cannot open that, right? Test.bin iOS binary. It's in read mode. I am creating an integer array, read char star of B, size of B, then see out the values. I0, I less than 5, normally we are printing the values. Object 2 is if stream, that is true, read function, size of B. Okay, let us explore this, why there is small. See, the challenge here was we were not closing the object file. Since it is binary file, once you insert the values into the file, you have to close that file before you again open it for reading. That's the only change I have included. The object 1.close, because I am inserting is done, then I am reading the contents. Object 2 for reading, again I am closing it. Now let us see if I execute this program. See, it gives the data entered into the binary file. The values from the binary file is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For your naked eyes, you are giving only numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is giving you the values. But when it is stored in your memory, it is stored as what we say numbers, okay, binary values. See here, I just added object 1.close and object 2.close. What it is trying to do, once I open a file, okay, I am writing the content into that, and then I am trying to close that because writing is over. Again open the file with read permission, read the content, again close the file. After printing, close the file. That's only I think I am doing. Again, this is also not required. Interpret, I will tell you about this interpret cast, we will see it. We don't need actually this one, but sometimes it throws some error. So we use the to whether it is, it's just a check to check whether it is entering properly or not. Okay. See, you are getting the data entered into the file and the values from the file are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a demo how you are storing bin file and you are trying to access the bin file. Okay. Same as your text files, only you are putting here mode as binary and extension as .bin. And we are using write and read functions to read and read.
You have 5 minutes remaining.
Okay. We are using read and write functions to write the content into the file. So this is just a demo to explain you binary file operations. In coming session, we will be trying to see how we can play again that sequential or random access part in this binary files. That is also possible.